What are you singing, Lucas? Are you singing Old MacDonald Had a Farm? Huh?
Picture.
No, sit with Sissy. Lucas, sit down. You're singing right now. Sit. Be careful. Don't hit her. Sing, Old MacDonald had a farm. Can you sing it?
My cousin.
Huh?
My cousin.
Your cousin?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
My cousin.
Your cousin? Where's your cousin?
My cousin T Max.
Your cousin what?
My cousin T Max.
Your cousin's at TJ Maxx?
Mm-hmm.
What? That's so weird. Hey Lucas, do you love your sister? Yeah? Are you going to take care of your sister? Lucas, be careful. She's a baby. Why are you putting your hand on her mouth?